The areas of criminal defense that I practice are district attorney cases, and they range anywhere from simple petty theft cases all the way up to murder cases and anything in between. And the reason you need a lawyer to defend you on a criminal matter is that criminal law is very complicated. Even specialists like myself have to stay on top of this every day. A lay person simply cannot do that. You should hire me as your criminal defense lawyer primarily because I have so many years of experience. I've been at this for more than 30 years. I'm a very dedicated lawyer. I stay in contact with my clients, and I can help you. I would say my association here with Daniel Ding is sort of a medium-sized organization. We're not one of these huge firms with 100 lawyers floating around, and I'm also not just a single practitioner. So you get the best of both worlds. The advantage is that you really have a one-on-one relationship with your lawyer. I will handle your case, and we stay in touch with you. All of our staff is available. So I think it's the relationship between the client and myself that makes it work.
My name is Darren Cornforth. I'm a criminal defense attorney in Los Angeles, California. I practice in federal court. I've been a defense attorney for over 20 years now. In federal court, most of my clients have been charged with white-collar crimes, such as wire fraud, bank fraud, embezzlement. I've also represented other clients who've been charged with immigration fraud, credit card fraud, identity theft, as well as clients who have been charged with drug-related offenses such as possession for sale of narcotics. One thing about criminal law in federal court is that it is charged uniformly across the United States. The law is standardized versus in state court where it's particular as to which state you're arrested and prosecuted in. What that means is I've represented clients who've been arrested and charged in federal court in Los Angeles, but as well as in other jurisdictions, ranging from Washington, D.C., New York City, and Boston, Massachusetts.
If you're not a United States citizen and you are convicted of certain crimes, the U.S. government can place you in removal proceedings and try and deport you from the United States. Depending on the conviction, whether it's a misdemeanor or felony, depending on if you have multiple crimes, certain felonies are grounds for removal in the United States. I have represented thousands of immigrants with certain convictions who have been placed in deportation proceedings, and we've applied for certain waivers or forms of relief to keep them in the United States. The most important thing is that if you're arrested of any crimes in the United States and you're not a U.S. citizen, make sure you consult an immigration attorney before you take any pleas before the criminal court.
Your relationship with your criminal defense lawyer is critical. Whatever happens on your case very well could affect you for the rest of your life. So I try to have a good bonding relationship with the client. We stay in touch constantly. Also, if we do have to go to a jury trial, I am an excellent trial lawyer. My experience with criminal defense is very extensive. I started my practice as a prosecutor, then I became a defense lawyer, so I know both sides of the game. And I have tried many, many, many cases with a lot of success. When you initially consult with me, you can expect that I will carefully go over facts of your case, and I will tell you my evaluation of where your case lies. And that is why all of my experience comes into play and helps you.